In this video we will show you the functions of the Employee module in Handyman Office. This module serves as your administrative overview of all employees in the system, both technicians out in the field as well as planners and other users in Handyman Office. This is where you can quickly get a picture of who is active, which roles and licenses are assigned, and how your company is organized in Handyman. When you open the module via the main menu in Handyman Office, you will see an overview of all employees. You can customize the columns to display the information that is relevant to you. For example, name, department, license types, or the user's latest synchronization. You have options for searching, sorting, and filtering that help make the module a particularly useful tool for everyday work, both for onboarding and offboarding users. Although you cannot create new users or assign licenses in the Employee module, it is an important tool for monitoring how your users are set up. This is also where you get an overview of technicians' activity, especially through information about their latest synchronization with Handyman Mobile and the last time they logged into Handyman Office. This can give you a good indicator of whether a user is active or not. The timesheet is another key feature of this module. It gives you a great visual overview of how many hours employees have recorded in a given period. In the report you can quickly see how many hours an employee has entered and the orders they are recorded on. This is especially useful if you need to get a sense of how tasks and time are distributed. The driver's log shows trips that the employee has linked to orders. An additional feature in the module allows you to communicate directly with your employees. You can select one or more users and send them messages that are either delivered via email or displayed the next time they synchronize Handyman Mobile. It is a simple and effective way to ensure that important information reaches the people working out in the field. For example, about changes to important orders or reminders about synchronizing hours back to Handyman Office. By clicking on Show Rights you get access to basic information about the user, such as name, email, phone number, and department. Here you can also assign a new password to the user if needed. It is possible to see which licenses the user has assigned to them. Making changes to a user's licenses requires access to the configuration in Handyman Office. The overview shows a summary of what price lists, cost elements, checklists, and stores the user has access to. Under User Settings it is possible to turn push notifications on and off, and reset the user completely. This resets all user customizations to the factory settings. A good use of the Employee module is as a quick overview of your employees. For example, checking if they are missing access to something or if there are users who are no longer active but still have a license. Details like these are of great importance for the daily workflow and for the quality of planning, payroll, and supporting your users. Thank you for watching. For more information about Handyman, please visit our website.